Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win in-game jump rope. To start, familiarize yourself with the game's unique jump rope mechanics. Pay close attention to both the visual indicators, like the rope's position, and any accompanying audio cues that signal when to jump. If the game offers different characters or equipment, experiment to find the combination that provides you with the best advantage for consistent performance and higher scores. Achieving perfect timing is crucial for winning. Your goal is to synchronize your character's jumps precisely with the rope's rotation. Develop a keen eye for anticipating the rope's arrival by observing its movement patterns. Additionally, train your ears to pick up on any subtle audio prompts or beats that can significantly enhance your rhythm and consistency, helping you avoid missteps and maintain a long streak. Once you've mastered the basics, elevate your game with advanced techniques. Strive to execute consecutive perfect jumps, as many games reward these with substantial bonus points. Explore and learn any special moves or intricate combo sequences the game might offer. These are often key to achieving truly high scores. Maintaining unwavering focus, especially during extended jump rope sessions, is vital to prevent errors and secure your victory. Finally, consistent practice is the cornerstone of winning. Dedicate short, regular sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, to hone your skills. After each attempt, take a moment to analyze any mistakes you made, understanding precisely where you can improve. Cultivate a calm and focused mindset, especially when the pressure mounts during critical gameplay moments, ensuring you perform at your absolute best every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.